Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial on how you can create a form using Google Docs. It's completely free. It's a great tool to use, and we're going to show you how you can do that right now. So simply log in to your Google account, possibly your Gmail account if that's how you're used to using Google. And when you log into your Gmail account, across the top here you should be able to scroll across and find documents. If you do not see that, you can hit the More tab and scroll down until you find it. But it should be right here in one of the top buttons for you to click on. So we're going to go ahead and click on Documents. And as the page refreshes here, we're going to go in and just create a simple form that you can use. And this is just demonstration purposes, so you can use any use it for any form you want. You can use it for surveys, whatever you desire. So we simply hit the Create button here in the burnt orange where it says Create, and we scroll down to where it says Form. Alright, and the first thing we need to do is we need to come up here where it says Untitled Form and name our form. So we're just going to say Test Form. So for those of you that are using this for a prayer request or a customer survey, you may want to name it after whatever the form is that you're creating. For this purpose, we're just going to go ahead and use it as test form. The next thing we can do is in the top left here, you can see add item, which we'll go over in just a second, and then you have theme, and you see that it's plain right now, which means it's just going to be a white background, very simple. And depending on where you're going to add this form, you may want to keep it that way, or you may want to go ahead and click on Theme. And this allows you to choose from almost 100 pages of different pre-templated and customized styles. So if you've come across a style that kind of matches your branding or matches what you're trying to get across in your form, if you will, or talk about in your form, and then you can simply click on one of these to add that as your theme. And then once you've done that, so if I wanted to add, we'll just say I wanted to add blueprints. I click Apply. Now, for some of you, you're going to look at this and go, okay, I just added blueprints, but I don't see it. Well, it's because you're in the administrative view right now, and you won't see it until you've actually shared and posted it. So for this example, we've got test form. We've got 2 sample questions already loaded. You can simply come over here and to the right where it says sample question, all the way to the right here where it's a pencil, we can click that. We can edit this question. So we can say, what did you like best? We can leave it as the question type as a text box, which means usually if you're asking for a simple 1-sentence answer or a name, then you want to use this type of a question. But if you wanted to allow for a longer answer, then you'd want to use paragraph text here. So we'll go ahead and click on that. You'll notice though that you also can choose multiple choice, check boxes. You can choose from a list. You can use scale and grid. Now scale and grid would be more for a survey, so it doesn't always pertain to your particular form, but these are really cool tools that you can use as well. So now that we've chosen to use paragraph text question type, we need to make sure that we require that they answer the question, and we hit done. Now we have sample question 2 here. We can put in on a scale of 1 to 10, ... So we're going to go here and we're going to go ahead and click on scale. And you can see here we have scale 1 to 5, or you can take it up to 10. It's up to you how you want the scale to show. And then you can show what 1 represents best and 5 being poor, or vice versa. You hit make this a required question, hit done, and now you're good. Well, you may be wondering, well, I want to add another question. Well, you simply come up here to the top left and hit add item, and you can actually choose from the get-go which type of question you want to ask here. You can also have a page break or a section header if you wish as well. But we've created our form. So I'm just going to stop right there for this tutorial. Now we need to be able to share it. So what you'll need to do is you first need to go up to the top right-hand corner, hit save. Right next to save, you'll see more actions. And when I click on more actions, you can see the option for embed. We want to click embed. And we'll want to copy this code, Control C, and paste it to whatever location we're going to show this form at. So if it's on your website, or if it's on your Facebook page in a custom app, you can do that as well. If you have questions about how to add it to your Facebook page, please refer back to how to add the custom HTML to your Facebook page. Now, once you've added it, you need to be notified when somebody actually submits a response. So in order to do that, we need to go and click out of here, and we'll see now in our list under documents, once we're in our Google account, we'll see here's the test form that we created. We're going to click on that, and under tools you're going to see notification rules. So here's notification rules right here. We want to go ahead and click on that, and we want to select when any changes are made that we're notified. The only other thing you need to do is select when you want to be notified. Do you want to be notified right away, or do you want them to send a daily log of all the responses that you've received? So I want to receive it right away, so that way I know to check it and see what the response is. I simply hit save, and now I've got a rule here. So anytime somebody actually enters that form and clicks the submit button, I will be notified right away in real time that somebody's entered a response into that form. Whether it's a survey, whether it's a prayer request, whether it's a contact form, whatever it is, I'll be notified right away. And that is how you use Google Docs to create a form that you can embed for free in any destination or location on the web that allows HTML formatting. So in your email signature potentially, or in your Facebook custom apps on your Facebook page if you like. So with that, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 951-444-8623, or you can always email eMediaInsiders at info@emediainsiders.com. Until then, we look forward to seeing you backstage. Take care.